Bakit ka nadole? Actually, the right name of the agency is NLRC, National Labor Relations Commission, which is an attached agency ng DOLE. So, kung ang tanong mo ay kung bakit ka nadole, these are the usual reasons based on my own experience and based on the experience of the people I know. Number 1, galit ang employees sa'yo dahil you were unjust. Gusto nilang makaganti sa'yo. Ito yung number 1 na akala ng lahat na paggaganti ang motive ng employee. And sometimes, tama naman, yan naman talaga. But most of the time, alam nyo ba, iba ang reason kaya sila nagdodole. Pwedeng ito. Number 2, gusto lang nila ng justice. Kasi feel nila wala silang pagkakamali. Kaya they look up to NLRC to air their side. So, for these two reasons, if we follow the required due process, hindi na tayo usually hahantong sa DOLE. Because nakinig tayo and nakapag-explain or nailabas naman nila ang galit nila. Pero, ang pinakamadalas na reason ay reason number 3. Gipit lang sila sa pera. And they just want to see if may makukuha pa sila sa iyo. So, most of the time, nasulsulan sila ng kanilang asawa, kaibigan, or relatives. Kaya, kahit na nagnakaw, nagkamali, or nagkasala na sila, they still try their luck. So if you understand why, it's easier to move on and just be business-minded Pinoy. Or share this to someone who cannot move on, okay?